5 proven methods to make your first $1 million in 2025. Making your first $1 million might sound like an overwhelming task, but with a clear game plan and consistent effort, it is entirely within reach. In this video, we'll explore 5 proven strategies that entrepreneurs can adopt to achieve their first $1 million in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, these methods are crafted to offer practical, actionable insights. Why is 2025 the perfect time to take this leap? Due to rapid technological advancements, emerging markets, and a global shift towards digital and sustainable solutions, countless doors to build wealth are waiting for those ready to seize them. Let's dive into these 5 methods that could transform your financial future. The first pathway to your first million is by strategically investing in high-growth opportunities. High-growth opportunities typically arise in industries poised for rapid expansion. Think of sectors like technology, renewable energy, digital services, or healthcare innovation. For example, companies focusing on AI, electric vehicles, or decentralized finance are carving new paths and creating enormous wealth for early adopters. But how do you identify these opportunities? Follow key indicators such as increased consumer demand, industry disruptors, and innovation-driven scalability. Study market trends by keeping tabs on financial news, paying attention to venture capital activities, and analyzing successful investment portfolios. Practical steps to get started include diversifying your investments to reduce risk and starting small while you learn the ropes. Platforms like mutual funds, ETFs, or even beginner-friendly apps can help you step into high-growth sectors. Remember, successful investing isn't about throwing money at every buzzworthy trend. It's about using well-researched market insights and timing your moves carefully. Take inspiration from investors like Elon Musk, who saw opportunities in electric vehicles and space exploration, unlocking significant returns by acting decisively. The key is patience. High-growth opportunities are potent, but they often require time to mature. This is why 2025 is your moment to start now while these industries are gaining traction. Next, we come to one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available today: scalable online businesses. A scalable business is one that grows without requiring a proportional increase in resources. Online businesses, in particular, are ideal for this because they allow you to reach millions of customers across the globe without the upfront setup costs associated with physical businesses. So, what are some types of scalable online businesses you can consider? Popular examples include e-commerce stores, subscription-based services, and selling digital products like courses or software. Platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, or Patreon make it easier than ever to create these revenue channels. To build a scalable online business, you'll want to start with a strong niche. Identify a specific problem faced by a target audience and provide a solution that stands out. Once you've launched, focus on automation tools and outsourcing repetitive tasks to free up time for growth. One fantastic example of scalability is the story of subscription businesses like Dollar Shave Club. From a simple idea, they leveraged scalable operations to sell millions of products worldwide and eventually exit with $1 billion deal. 2025 is especially suited to this method, with digital transformation in full swing. The right online business, paired with persistence in marketing, can put you well on the road to your first million. Our third strategy involves creating multiple income sources. If there's one thing many millionaires will tell you, it's that they don't rely on just one source of income. Why is diversification so crucial? It reduces financial risk, ensures stability, and accelerates wealth accumulation. Think of these income streams as a financial safety net. When one dries up, others can keep you afloat. So, what are some practical ways to generate multiple income sources? Start with passive income opportunities, such as real estate rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or selling an ebook. At the same time, consider active income streams like freelance work, consulting, or online tutoring aligned with your expertise. A simple way to start is by converting your passion into an income stream. For example, if you love photography, you can sell stock images online or offer photography classes. Even small efforts, compounded over time, can become substantial streams of income that bring you closer to that $1 million mark. Remember, managing multiple income streams can feel overwhelming. The key is to balance them effectively and automate where possible. By diversifying early and smartly managing your time and resources, you'll grow closer to achieving financial independence. The fourth pathway is often overlooked but incredibly critical to making your first million: developing valuable, in-demand skills. Skills are real multipliers of wealth. Whether it's negotiating, marketing, data analysis, or coding, high-demand skills can either fuel your entrepreneurial success or make you indispensable in any job market. For instance, if you're starting an e-commerce business, mastering digital marketing can help you attract exponentially more customers. Similarly, learning negotiation can help solidify partnerships or secure better deals. Start by identifying skills relevant to your goals. If you're unsure, explore platforms like LinkedIn to see what skills are most in demand in your industry. Once identified, commit to a learning regimen, whether through online courses, books, or mentorship. Building expertise also opens up higher-paying opportunities. Employers and clients are willing to pay a premium for specialized talent. And if you combine complementary skills, such as coding and UX design, your potential earnings can skyrocket. The important takeaway is this: self-improvement directly correlates with financial success. In 2025, knowledge, creativity, and adaptability will dominate the entrepreneurial landscape, and sharpening your skills is your ticket to seizing those opportunities. The fifth and final method is perhaps one of the most transformative: networking and strategic partnerships. The truth is, no one succeeds alone in today's interconnected world. Behind almost every self-made millionaire, there's a network of mentors, collaborators, and allies who played pivotal roles in their journey. Start by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your ambitions. Attend industry events, participate in mastermind groups, and engage in professional networking on platforms like LinkedIn. Building authentic relationships takes time, but it's worth every effort. Partnerships, too, can unlock opportunities far beyond your individual capabilities. By joining forces with someone who complements your skill set, you not only share the workload but also expand your reach and resources. For example, take tech startups. Most founders attribute a significant portion of their success to partnerships with investors, co-founders, and early adopters. When everyone brings something unique to the table, the potential for growth multiplies. Networking isn't limited to socializing. It's about offering value to others, whether through guidance, expertise, or collaboration. The more you give, the more you attract relationships that lead to mutual success in the long run. By proactively networking and forming partnerships in 2025, you're positioning yourself to access opportunities you'd never achieve going solo. To recap, here are the 5 proven methods that can help you achieve your first $1 million in 2025. Investing in high-growth opportunities, leverage trends in technology, energy, and healthcare to grow your wealth. Building scalable online businesses, create businesses that expand without proportional resource increases. Cultivating multiple income sources, diversify your earnings to reduce risks and accelerate financial success. Developing valuable skills, invest in yourself to increase earning potential and seize new opportunities. Networking and partnerships, leverage relationships for collaborative growth. Each of these methods, when executed with dedication and persistence, is a proven pathway to creating wealth. While making your first $1 million won't happen overnight, consistent effort, learning, and adaptability will inevitably bring you closer to that goal. Remember, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for entrepreneurship. Rapid innovations, growing markets, and opportunities in the digital space present endless possibilities. Choose one of these methods, or combine several, and take the first step toward building the financial future you deserve. Your first million is within reach. Now it's your time to go and grab it. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.